Alright, y'all. Super windy day 12. Mostly what I'm going to be doing out here is putting all of the things that shouldn't be out in this lovely weather somewhere safe. So that is what we're going to do today. Alright, so as I did last year, I'm going to be putting the cemetery fencing up on top of these to support it so that it doesn't get in any water that might pool over the winter time and spring. Alright, got that pretty well covered for now. I usually end up putting a couple on there just because the tops of them are kind of sharp and tend to, put holes in tarps. But that's what we have for that one. And then over here, cleaned up a few things that shouldn't be left out in the weather. And they were literally, I just threw them all in here, including the tarps so they didn't blow around the neighborhood. Y'all know tarps are expensive. Alrighty, that's it for day 12. It was mostly just securing stuff and making it safe for the rain to come. See you soon.